Unveiling the story behind a Renaissance beauty's restoration, a fascinating journey. A tale of a forgotten party girl, a hidden masterpiece, and the art of conservation. At the Carnegie Museum of Art, Chief Conservator Ellen Baxter engages in a unique dialogue with the paintings she restores. In this instance, she encountered a 16th-century portrait of Isabella de Medici, a woman shrouded in mystery and scandal. The painting, initially believed to depict Eleanor of Toledo, had been concealed beneath a 19th-century overpainting. But here's where it gets intriguing. Baxter, a rare blend of artistic and scientific talent, saw beyond the bland Victorian features. Her keen eye, trained to view paintings as layered compositions, led her to uncover the true identity of the subject. It was like a Victorian cookie tin box lid, she described the overpainting. Through meticulous examination and a trusty Google search, Baxter identified the stamp of Francis Leadham, a reliner from the mid-1800s. An X-ray revealed the hidden layers, confirming her suspicions. And this is the part most people miss, the story behind the painting. Isabella de Medici, the daughter of Eleanor of Toledo and Cosimo I de Medici, led a life of freedom and excess. She threw legendary parties, incurred debts, and had a notorious reputation. Her favorite lover was said to be Troilo Orsini, a cousin of her husband Paolo. However, Isabella's fate took a tragic turn after her father's death. Her brother, Francesco, had no tolerance for her indulgences. The official story claims she died suddenly while washing her hair, but rumors suggest she was strangled by her husband, seeking revenge for her affairs, or to marry his mistress, Vittoria Accoramboni. Baxter's restoration revealed Isabella's strong features, bringing her story to life. The urn she holds, not originally part of the painting, may have been added at her request, a symbolic attempt at redemption. "This is literally the bad girl seeing the light," said Louise Lippincott, the museum's former curator. Despite the temptation to embellish, Baxter, a skilled artist herself, resisted. "I'm not the artist, I'm the conservator. My job is to repair, not to impose my own vision," she explained. This restoration not only brings a forgotten painting back to life, but also sheds light on the fascinating life of Isabella de Medici, a true Renaissance woman. What do you think? Is there a fine line between restoration and artistic interpretation? Should conservators, like Baxter, resist the urge to add their own touch? Or is it part of the artistic process? Share your thoughts in the comments.